bun ha ki tourist ki bawan chani shpo Meghalaya jangi pe ki kwa man one pet ki kwa ban experience kum ka ta ka Meghalaya kalong da ki lawan kum tu ki la sa bun sni te kawai kalong ba ka jinyo anong ba da ni dan ki kini ki homestay.
Opening and homestay, it's my source of income.
Representatives of the Meghalaya SSA School Association on Friday had organized a press conference to publicly express their gratitude to all supporters towards the cause of teachers in the state. While expressing his gratitude to the state government for addressing the grievances of the teachers, the Publicity Secretary of the Mssasa, Rymbai, also thanked all supporters who had stood by the teachers during the fight for their rights.
And we've come here to thank all of our friends, from different groups and organization, different individual person, friends, families who have come to help us, all the needful as people, as teachers in this definite dhana that we organize. For example, like food, that pandal, and drinking waters, and so many things that we as human beings we need. We have come here to thank them for their support, for their help, which we cannot say a word, but we have come here to thank and pray for your, give a prayer for your work, that your anything that you're doing in life will be success, so we'll be blessed.
The president of the association, Aristotle Rymbai, in his expression of gratitude to the state government, also thanked the Governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, for his readiness to have an audience with the teachers to hear their plea and to initiate the process of salary payment to them. In the meantime, Rymbai also informed that as for the other demands of teachers that include enhancement of salary and regularization of positions, the state government will be constituting an education commission to take care of such matters that concern the SSA teachers of the state.
Added to that, I take this opportunity especially to thank our Honorable Governor, Satyapal Malik, that it is through his initiative, his discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, Konrad K. Sangma, that the government have taken a decision to fulfill our demands. And last but not least, I also express thanks and gratitude to the Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Preston Tensong, who have taken initiative yesterday that during the discussion with him, he have expressed that the government is finding ways and means to solve the problems facing by the SSA teachers now and then, especially regarding the irregular payments of SSA teachers' salary and also the enhancements of SSA teachers' salary. And also I would like to express sincere gratitude and thanks to the media, both print electronics. It is because of you who raise our voice to the government and also to the general public that all our dear friends and loved ones have come to support and to give to join hands with us in this indefinite dana which we have organized from 18 July, and we have call off yesterday, the 21st July 2022. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and as what the Additional Chief Secretaries DP Walang have informed us on 18 July 2022 that this agenda will be placed in the State Education Commission, which will be constituted very soon by the state government. So during the meeting with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Saprastun Tenzong, we have touched that part, and he also informed us the same, that he requests us to be patient, to work with the government and wait till the government constitute this State Education Commission, and after the government have constituted the State Education Commission, this demand also will be taken into consideration.